them a try help Alkaline. Like them, you know, you try build one record to say, yeah man, so one record there, him set the record there. Them a try set up something for him have a record on them belt.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Now one thing we can't take from the youth, you know. Say, what Alkaline do right now, you know, so I don't know if dancehall artists can do it.
How should a dancehall artist can do what Alkaline do?
Alright.
Me can count. Alright then. Just say Alkaline show sold out, right? Alright then, cool.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
You don't know Media Fox, you know it things said. Yeah man, so people, this is for promotional purposes. So you don't know ticket watcher them. You don't know where promote. You see me? You know where use haters and promote. So remember, get on the ticket Barclays Center March 21st. You understand? So this is part 4. You understand? But we're go. Listen what they must say.
But we say, yeah man, so a record there, him set the record there. They might try set up something for him have a record on them belt.
But why though? Why am I trying to do that?
Now one man named basically a call in a dancehall when it come to. Well, one man, you have enough money at where I do music, but when it come to breaking records and doing things that never been done, one man name a call on that. So remember say, I know one side in a dancehall, you know, you have different sides, different people, but for different people, different artists. So, say for instance, you say Gully and me say Gaza, and Gaza do too much things. Me now try build something for Gully, you see me I say, because in idea, una alone set record was over this, you know. Even if when me say a record is not even a record, because how can you compare somebody where sell shut out 3 shows back to back and they want to give me 4th one and them say no, with somebody who take it not even so.
Brother, I don't feel like say a Cartel alone for do shows, like for do arenas. I don't understand what you know. Eh? I don't keep on bringing this 3 show back to back and you thought Jake birthday thing. I don't keep on bringing it up and about 4th show, him no bother take it. I don't understand where you get that narrative from, brother. Eh? So a Cartel alone for a sold out arena. Nobody else nothing do it. Eh? I don't think that's how the culture grow. You only want Cartel, whatever Cartel do for look good. Eh? A Cartel alone for set history in a dancer. Eh? Brother, I'm telling you about you know. If I want alone the culture not reaching, no way. I'm telling you that.
But they must say it predicted to be sold out, like they must anticipate it sold out. How you compare that, like where recorded this up?
That can't be solo, but dog, pretty.
People, hear them madman, yeah. Boy, may I tell you. People, as me say, a promotional purposes. See? So look at get on the Barclays ticket. You see it, cause look at now. You saw them a mad out already. You saw them no buy ticket them. And the arena says sold out. Yeah man, then just got us crash hospital. May I tell you that? Cause if them a mad out and the show not even reach yet. Imagine after the show. Charge you.
The most expensive ticket to me see right now, Zin. That is for I just see it a while ago, hold on. $608. But guess what? It's a resale ticket.
Just looking for a resale ticket.
A resale seat or so?
You know what them do? The man them show the whole resale ticket them, because last time I looked them show a ticket for $800. Which is a resale ticket. I'm telling you say, yo, a baby the man my build narrative, you know see that? Which is very clever still.
But the most expensive ticket for Alkaline was like 400 and was it? Yeah, so why them just have
remember, people, you have some people who they think the show never sold out to them, buy a ticket and try to sell it back for more money.
When they think the show never sold out, so they buy a ticket and sell it back. Yo, they buy a fool in the dog. I tell you, them youth are dumb, me I tell you to write it. Yo, it's when you eat for no reason, dog. You just chat one bag of sugar. Me I tell you that.
So that's why you see ticket for $800. So when them do know, the people know who are try build a narrative now, them show them ticket there. If you say, see that ticket is $800 and the show almost sold out. You get what I say? Remember, you know, most people just feed off algorithm, you know.
Yeah.
They just follow a narrative. They don't really go look for get their own information, you know. Which sometimes we do too. But yeah, that really happens, isn't it?
I will if a resale ticket them ever say no.
Yeah, like, because as I say, a lot of people, did think it got sold out. Worse, when them see ticket prices, then they must say, yo, you must can sell out this man. So they go grab some ticket now because so them things are going on. Alright, look on the show, it's Soundfest. In Soundfest.
The VIP sold out already.
Yeah, but if you grab us and grab around 5 tickets for VIP, is it gonna say, and then close the Soundfest and sell it back? You know, that's sold, you know that, right?
So people, I want it.
I want that. So that's why that man with Alkaline ticket them want them you see for $800 so.
Brother, when I compare VVIP Sunfest with Alkaline Arena, brother, when I see it on it, brother, how much ticket for the VVIP and the thing, brother? Yo, that man, can move the goalpost, you freak. Every where them take it. If I no Cartel show them, now them gonna Gully and Gaza thing. I know you. I can't believe say Alkaline I sell out the Barclays. It a mad out some people. Me I tell you this. Them man are mad people. Me I tell you say man them they on a marathon ticket watch, you know. Marathon ticket watch. Funny ticket drop. Your man them a count. The man them a pull up. The man them a bro. Me I tell you say your Alkaline a real legend, bro. Me I tell you that. For every day you get up, I just a pull up numbers for a ticket. Face say me no want to show sell. And every day you go there, when see say it a sell, it a grieve, when just try find some way. But as me say people, just go buy out the ticket them, cause me I tell you, them money, boy, I don't know when this a sold up. Me think them gonna take their YouTube channel and just pack it up. Me I tell you that.
I go all up in that nosebleed. Only for resale ticket there.
Yeah,
right now, what if?
I mean I say yo, why people do that still? Like so somebody in a guy show?
A business them do it dog, then just buy it.
Just know say them ticket outlets there have a lot to do with it for them style of say around.
So that they can make more money too.
Yeah.
Cause remember now, hold on, the ticket them up in that nosebleed, they was for like $70. No, them have $177. So them make $1 billion profit.
Resale straight.
Cause they most of the time people forward. When time people forward and them realize say, oh, them can't get no more ticket. Them not go buy that dog.
You want to watch the youth perform if you rate him, and you want to go in there, you buy it. That one thing we can't take from the youth in him. Say, with Alkaline right now, you know, so enough dancehall artists can do it.
Which other dancehall artists can do it? Can do what Alkaline do.
Alright. I hope.
Yo, dog, yo, people. You man them switch up fast, yo, brother. Them man them talk about ticket and this and Ray. Then the man them switch up. Yo, you know see what you think you would do? Great. Bro, like, reality does chipping like man them say, yo, shit, I sugar me I say, you know, yo, you would do it. Oh, man them switch up so fast a while ago, people. The man them left from, yo, resale, yo, this year amount here, the man them switch up, yo, which artist I do it like him? I know you people that's I'm telling in a life, you know, remember this. You say when you do something, do it for yourself. You understand? Believe in yourself. Now watch when nobody want to say. You understand? Yeah, man, just go for where you go for whatever success. It no matter when nobody want to say. You see me, because at the end of the day, you have the angle. You have the steering. You understand? Because the same people when they are bash you and everything. You see when you reach up on top, them same one, I go down here call you. And I big you up and all of them little thing there. I say, yo, you do it, this and that. But when you dip on the journey, I go up. And them see when I try pull you down, I try do this and I do that. Remember me tell you that. So you see the switch up a while ago? Yeah, man. Them can't stop greatness. Remember me tell you.
Oh, me can't count. Alright then. Just say Alkaline show sold out, right? Alright then, cool. Cartel. Who else? Mavado. Mavado can sell out Barclays.
Well, he's on a run now. He's on a run now.
Well, yeah.
So me would have said Mavado and Alkaline will run. Finishing line, Alkaline win Mavado by a nose. Mavado would have a little bit more difficult to sell out. You take it them. Yeah. And who else? One to Massacre.
Next.
Remember, we're talking about the biggest name in the dancer. No, we know.
Next.
When the next big name.
Don't you?
One to artists where ladies them love. Dexter Daps.
Possibly. Yeah.
I don't think Dexter Daps can do it.
No, Dexter Daps can do it.
No.
Brother, stop it, brother. Dexter Daps can't sell out an arena, brother. Wanna stop it, bro. Yo, brother, I tell the people, why can't sell out the arena, bro? It's like, yo, them people not understanding the people. Bro, you have to you have to understand, bro. Dexter for the woman them. You see me? Yeah, for the woman them, brother. Dexter, they on him tour right now. Great look for dancehall. But if Dexter even sell out the arena, he would do it long time. Can he not game long time? I think Dexter boss. Dexter boss about 2014, I think. Yeah, I think at 2014 him get him first break. You understand? Dexter in the game for about 12 years now. You understand? He would not do it already, bro. You see me? So we know, I don't like we are bring down Dexter, but we know the thing said. He would not do that already. Him headline some little shows and them little thing there. But the fan base with Dexter, yeah, the girl them rate him, but the fan base thing there, he not really did it so with Dexter. You see me? Yeah. But Dexter that a good artist, same way. You see me? Yeah.
Yes, Dexter Daps.
Because I said, Mr. Dexter can full up Barclays.
Dexter. Let me show you some. Remember no? Who Dexter Daps? Who Dexter Daps have beef with? In a dancehall?
Nobody.
Alright. What majority of Dexter Daps song? Type of song?
Gal.
Alright. Remember you know? Once Gal and Pete they say a song them you know. Great a song them you know.
It's a hit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So exclude Pete out of this now. See? We are talking about woman. Once woman put on them clothes and say, oh, them I got Dexter Daps show. Who else I go with them?
Hands for a fact.
Them man.
So all I tell them I go with them.
Exactly.
Man, I go there to look gal.
Exactly.
And then know the Dexter what I gal them.
The man them say, oh, dog, what if a gal did they say no man, you roll. We never bring the sun down the beach.
But me still saying can't do it because I see me Amazon and name fully up, so you can't do it. Not Barclays. And Dexter Daps right now, the depana, him not super hot right now.
Yeah, let me tell you something about Dexter Daps. I'll show you something about Dexter Daps. The way how Dexter Daps have a woman fans them. You can tell you this. Dexter Daps now for do a song for 2 years and can full up some places.
You can't full up enough places, but
Not Barclays.
No.
Okay.
When it comes to performance,
Yo, dog, I tell you to write it. Brother, not because the girls them rate him, means him can full out certain places, bro. You understand? You have to remember that, bro. You see me? And yeah, you might full out some little small venue and thing, but you can't look on it like that because you have enough artists out there where the gangster them rate them and the girls. You see me? Not because, yeah, woman, this and that, and nobody feel like, say, yeah, girl, I got this, so every man I got just follow if you go girl. Remember, say, man and them girl go a show together too. You have to look on that. You understand? So not because, yeah, girl, I got it for Dexter, a bag of man. Can you have a member to, you know, bro, as an artist, you know, yeah, girl, I got turn up, yes. But no bag of man now got dead. I watch Dexter on stage, bro, like, you see me? Like, the crowd are gonna be mostly woman. Yeah, but when you check it, like, yo, if you want G and say, yo, you gotta take in Dexter Daps are for the girls, them, brother. And most of the girls, them are gonna do this, so. Unless, your girls, so she want to say, alright, yeah, follow her, but, man, yeah, man, some man will go there for woman, but, you have to pre say, bro, like, some man now say, alright, I gotta watch Dexter Daps, knowing, say, them man, they are sing be a girl tune. You understand? Yeah, Dexter not really have no gangster tune like that. Shabba Mother Pot and for next a 2 song alone, me know Dexter Daps as a gangster song. I think I remember what the next one. I think I Squeeze. Put on as upon head and squeeze. A 2 Shabba Mother Pot. A 2 song the man have when me know. You see me? So the other rest I sang them brother, girl song brother. So I don't know what you talk about, bro.
and so the man up at top of the pinnacle with being man and people.
Top 5.
So yeah, so we not talk about that. Them have good songs, but for bringing 19, 20,000 people,
He's saying can't do it, dog.
you know, he could do it.
People, you think that Dexter Daps can sell out Barclays? Want to tell me now, come in. Please, I'm begging you.
I'm CJ, them I go film long time. You know, you can do it.
Probably
You sing Orlando in one club, and it's surely okay. But the club near Ram, where no space, that enough space you walk, and a club.
But remember, you know, different show bring different promotion, you know, they have look on that, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? And remember,
Yo, the brother is sick in him, you know. All the man I tell him. What you mean by different show bring different promotion? I don't understand this, brother. Promotion and promotion, brother. Promotion is mandatory to every show. So I don't understand that. What you try to me say, if a show I keep alright, if I 5,000 people, the other one and 10,000 people are there, what you going to tell the people them say? Oh, one with the 10,000 have to promote more? Is there a capacity of where how you promote your show based on the numbers of people have out? I don't understand that. You promote your show like any other show. You see me? Yeah. So at the end of the day, bro, we know Dexter Dap, no disrespect, but we're not sure we not have Dexter Dap in other league if it's alright. Barclays. So you have to remember, say, bro, the man don't really have a gangster catalog, bro. And we as Jamaicans, we know say, yo, the bad man sang them and all of them look a thing the dog. You see me, I'm mostly females, bro. Is it?
And say a Dexter Daps, Dexter Daps is loved by a lot of artists. They rate him in the industry.
Yeah.
So they will actually promote him show. They will post it up. He will post it up every day and all of them in there. I mean, which part Dexter Daps fall from that?
View?
No, which part in base when turning forward over here?
What, NY?
Yeah.
That not gonna help him.
No.
Cranium can't
Dog,
back.
we're not. Right.
And him live at NY and boss from NY and big up NY and him say my NY king for dance and whatever. He can't follow up Barclays.
We're not talking about cranium,
Probably.
dog.
We just make some comparison. Family have to remember this, you know.
The promotion
Dancehall artists there.
But hold on,
Look at dancehall artists who are big, we do big things. How much of them full up Barclays? Just remember that.
Alright then. Out of 19,000, Dexter Daps could have got at least 150.
We can say 110, 12.
No.
Alright, give me 15, yeah.
15.
That's still kind of steep, but
Man say 15,000, brother. You them money are sick, you know, brother. People, who know if no Dexter Dap pull 15,000 people? People tell me, cause I don't know. Them money, but as I say, people get on a Barclays Center ticket. You see me? Just get it. Cause it's gonna be a historical moment. Like the history are gonna hurt people. Me I tell you. It are gonna hurt. You see how like them a whole a conversation right now? You see after Alkaline show? Yo, me I tell the people like, yo, that are gonna change every narrative. Remember me tell you that.
alright. So who else?
But me I say, if Dexter Daps go perform a Barclays, dog, the promotion I got different, me G. Remember, you know, Alkaline full of himself, you know. He post that shit one time and say, yo, right, that, you know, me can guarantee you. Dexter Daps, that Seeker, all of Dexter Daps artists preaching them, the woman them, I got remember, you know, all the woman them, I go say, oh, Ray. Yes, me I got
Let me ask you a question. A promotion alone sell show. So, alright. Say for instance, we go so and put Valiant in.
You know some things that brother, yeah. In kinda have look of sense. You see me? Yeah, but it look like with Alkaline thing in head hollow, you understand? But in kinda in my school in Bridging there. You see me, ticket watch I one way always in the pullover. Yeah.
In Barclays. Every dancer artist, every media houses, every flag, everybody promote this thing night and day.
Dexter Daps not have enough longevity in a dancehall for you to put him in a comparison.
Valiant?
Not Dexter Daps, Valiant.
No, but a while ago you say, alright, Coffee Beanie Man, a legend from before me and know about good about music. Beanie Man going there and get promoted and whatever and couldn't follow it. I don't think promotion.
But Beanie Man have only
promotion help, but getting every promote get the best promotion. If people don't want to see you, they don't want to see you.
Let me ask some. Beanie Man have they against three biggest camp them in a dancehall. Beanie Man alone. Gaza, Vendetta, two big camp that already, you know. We wouldn't go and show, you know, and OS.
No.
And OS. And Spice.
And yeah.
We're not talking about Bunty. We're not talking about
Bunty. We're not talking about Killer, yeah.
Gaza, Vendetta, and Spice camp them, dog. Is it?
What do you mean by Spice camp? Who the Bob boys? We never know say Spice have camp, dog. Brother, Spice not lying with the Gaza thing. What you talking about? That two big fan base in I think right now, a Gaza and Vendetta thing. So how Spice? What do you mean by Spice camp, brother? What kind of camp Spice have? I don't understand this, brother. A Gaza thing that the Cartel Spice power with. I don't know what you talking about that.
People now go. Plus, most of them people in them gang too. And some people want your Beanie Man. Even if nobody have our people.
Exactly.
Even worse.
So we can't have to take up Beanie out of
Alright.
And don't say Bunty.
Chronic Law, artists and Chronic Law run off the ground. Chronic Law most stream. Chronic Law, they are top of everything. If Chronic Law get booked for Barclays and everybody promote him. Chronic Law, almost every artist and friend except 6 them, you know. So what
Vendetta.
And Vendetta, you know, what if you go and you put Chronic Law in the every promotion and thing, he can sell you out?
No, but when I feel without me still, Cartel I put a foot in it.
and help, and it's still never sell out because Cartel cannot. No, remember, we not try to cheat the game. We are talking about say you the person, you like no style and no friend and company. You we are talking about.
No, he can't sell you, but Dexter can go at least on 15.
You know who can sell out that and get a second show?
Shaggy.
No, Shaggy can't sell out Barclays.
Who?
No Popcaan?
Yeah, of course. You can possibly get all a third show too.
No, he can't get 3 show. And he can't price and can't steal like a real boss.
But
Bro, nothing. Yo, Jano. Yeah, Popcaan can do it, brother. Popcaan never perform in the US yet. So that be same like when Cartel go prison and him never go US for so much years. Or the same thing, brother. You see me? Yeah, we can do the back to back. That would be a good thing for the artist. You see me? Yeah, we know that. You see it?
Well, you know where that all come out from still. Due to the fact that he never yet perform over here, you see me?
No one, listen to me, no big rapper, no, come on with Popcaan, I Poppy that.
Yeah.
But Poppy can't, to beat them too bad the prices, and Poppy can't try it third night.
Well,
I don't think can floor it the second night neither.
Okay.
But the first night, Tita go like hot bread, like her serial boss. Tita go same way. But me say same meaning sales, but me not think him never make the price as high as the real boss.
Yeah.
And me see people say they come me some comments one one caption them say Alkaline be the youngest to sell out Barclays, and somebody I say Alkaline better than Cartel because Alkaline never have to use prison hype to sell out the show there. So you feel like say a prison hype make Cartel sell out Barclays after all you see my still around right now?
Okay, sir. On a prison hype, dog.
Remember I know prison help. It help him. Anybody say prison is not all. It help. But if
Brother, don't say on a prison, but it help. What you mean? Brother, them not see the man for much years. What you talking about? Sometimes, bro, I shouldn't know what I'm going. You understand? At the end of the day, Cartel are doing thing. All of this thing we are going, bro, is because of him absence. You understand? And no other dancer artists get the absence like him. That's why it greater Alkaline do, because him alone do it with a theme young generation. That's why they must say, yo, him are the youngest to do it. You understand? Yeah, because Alkaline there, him do shows and rare, him never absent. You see me? Him do shows in New York how much time. And him remember him in a Barclays last year, you know, with some other artists. You see me, big artist too. And then him come do it by himself solo now. You understand? So yeah.
him never did go to prison and people never did see him same way. And just like Popcaan, I remember say America don't see Popcaan on his side.
Yeah.
So if Popcaan jump in the same way, that's why I say too, Mavado can't follow Barclays. Remember this whole time Mavado they are foreign.
Yeah.
People can beat Gully God, but I say, listen to me, why do you them announce the show Gully God in a country of Jamaica? They might tell lies, Melissa, why them cancel the show because it now say why them cancel it. People, no people are starting.
But we did not say it for how long?
You did kind of say, no man, I know that man, Melissa man, Gully God could have sell out it. Me say Gully God can't sell out. And show foreign, Gully God couldn't sell out because Gully God been they are foreign and Gully God, they know it. He not know if he not hide know it. He could have booked any show foreign. So there's no anticipation around his name.
You say he must sell this and sell that. Must sell
You see what I say? All right.
Bro, this are the thing in the people. Them not understanding, bro. Like, brother, let me tell you. You're not alright, with the Gully God thing now. Not because Dream not come to Jamaica, right? Remember say people that fly from Jamaica go see Mavado in a Caribbean country, they might go UK, they might go. It's not like Cartel will lock up for 13 years and them couldn't see him none at all. That different. Them could have say Mavado. They might fly go see Mavado. They might do this see Mavado. You understand? They might see Mavado in the media. Mavado depend on the show ya. Every little thing, people. I remember, you know, a lot of people stream and watch show, you know. You understand? So them little thing they kind of cut the demand. Cartel, them couldn't see him none at all for 13 years, like them actual face. Enough people first as the Cartel like for perform and all of them little thing there. So film demand that got different from any other artist in the dancehall. You see it. Mavado show now with the Melissa thing. I don't know. I wouldn't miss them keep it. Not Ochi. I think at that time, like I think Mavado did give us some things and you know which date it this it I keep? I think 28 or something like that. I guess, because I think I was CJ Milan did I do the show, you know. CJ Milan did I do the show at Jamaica. You understand? And I don't know. Me never hear nobody too did I talk about it like that, but the atmosphere, like the hurricane does hit like a month, and it's like I don't think nobody never did a really no show like that. You understand? Because certain place never open, like them couldn't get access to. Certain place people can't come out of them community. So the best thing what them could have do is just say, yo, cancel it, because a lot of place, you have to understand, say, yo, you know, people, you know, kind of now go have certain things, and you know, yeah, I understand why them do that, because the Christmas there, you know, a lot of people never get what them want, and you know, but them just give thanks, say, yo, them still did it. You see it, so that's one of the reasons too. You see me? And them know it. You see it. And like, yeah, the ticket thing plus, you know, the atmosphere and all of them like a thing that time I kinda understand. You see it.
I'm on the see every day and whatever. You see me say? So you see me? So Gully a big column in a dancer, but the guys are really bringing out. People are beat me for that though.
That's fine.
Like I said, Gully, a big column in a dancehall. One of the biggest column in a dancehall to stand tall on Gully catalog and matched like some boy can do music till they're sick, then can't go near Gully got catalog, you see me?
Once it rise up with them I do, when them I try. My will fly I up to the sky, I eat that.
You see me? I said
my
so.
Man go on the rock. I'm on the rock.
You see me?
You see me?
But
if you might ever go real Mackay.
It done, man. But an idea, where Gaza bring Gully right now. So you think Mavado can perform?
No.
You think Mob stays present?
He can't perform. Me give him performance like 5 out of 10. You see me?
Alright. Cartel is a performer, I know. But you know what? We Cartel have one of them.
Have some hits there.
Yeah, and then him have whole heap of style and him interact with the crowd. And
bro, them money bias your freak. Brother, when I move the goalpost, dog, you go say Vado can't perform. You say Cartel is not really a performer, but him can interact with the crowd and him have a bag of hits. Like, bro, Mavado have hits. That bad Mavado can perform, bro. Go to no crap, brother. You understand that a man this one answer right there, so you see it.
The man is like a whole, like him himself at the show. You see me? I said like him just know where to do and how to do it. Then the icing on the cake now, I strings that it's them off.
People, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know one media fox panning up, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know anything said. That is it.